Good. Okay, guys, let's get to business. Get to business, guys. Hey, guys, the reason why I said you should have a session, so I've learned something about USDT. So I've been busy with USDT. I see many people lately, they are trading nasdaq. So I want you also to engage on the USDT. USDT. The way I saw it, I think it's one of the easiest indices, USDT and German 40. So most of the time, what I saw on USDT is not the same as Nasdaq, the way they move. Nasdaq most of the time it does not respect like the setups, like the paginate of the market. But USDT always respect the paginate of the market. I can say 10 out of 9, I will give a USDT maybe about 9. Most of the time, it's respect. Getting out like descending channels, ascending channels, a bullish flag, a bearish flag, the market structure also. So USDT is not like Nasdaq the way I saw it. It doesn't move like Nasdaq. It's good and it's profitable and it's easy. There's nothing hard in it. Whenever you're trading USDT, you must not be greedy. Let me not say I USDT only. Everything that you trade, you must not be greedy. So first of all, let me start the session. What I do whenever I analyze USDT, so I look at my market structure first, man. I look at my market structure. I go like I go to daily. Another thing also like another thing that USDT respect is the order blocks. It respects the order block. So if someone who's still coming in, but guys, can you please switch off your mics? Just unmute the mics. So that there's not gonna be any background. Yeah, thank you very much. So I'm gonna start from daily chart. This is how I analyze this. First, I look at my market structure. As you can see, as you can see on the stage, we have something like a flag on daily. We have something like a bullish flag on daily because it's a daily chart. It's not gonna strike just like this. It's not gonna like boom like the smaller time frame. It's not just gonna go up. It's still gonna take those certain levels from the smaller time frame. So you also need to understand that it's gonna test the smaller level from the smaller time frame. Yes, I need to be tested in order for it to still go up. As you all can see that on USDT, we have a bullish momentum. It's gonna push up. So we have a strong bullish flag on daily charts. Okay, we are here now. Let's look for our support and resistance. This is how I do. So I go to daily. When I go to daily, I look for my support and resistance for daily. This is the highest resistance from daily, and then this is the lowest. So this means this is our supply and demand zone. So I've already spotted them. Then I'm gonna go to H4. That is, I'm gonna drop to H4. So when I drop to H4, I'm also gonna be looking for a turning point on H4. You see, we also have a turning point here. It still moves down, and then after it go up. That means we're gonna have a resistance here. Then we're gonna have a resistance here also. Guys, can you please switch off your mic? Guys. Please switch off your mic. Please unmute your mic. Thank you. And then, okay, let me remove this thing. Okay. Let me remove this thing. So yeah, as you can see that we already spotted our supply and demand zone from daily chart. So as you can see that it went down, then it tried to move up, and then we have a resistance here, and then it went down strongly, and then we also have a support here, and then it's pushed up to test this area, but it went above it, of which we have a resistance again, and then it's pushed down again. Then here we have a strong support because it's tested so many times. Then it's pushed up again. And then we have a long weak candle. We have a long candle which is closed up, bullish also. It still needs to be covered by a trend. Since on daily charts we have a strong bullish flag also. Okay, let's go. Let's look for our H4. Let's look for our H4 support and resistance. So I'm gonna change the color now. I'm gonna make it red. Let me make it red. I'm gonna change the color now. I'm gonna make it red. And then we also have the support. We also have a zone here also. So you already know. You already know that whenever the market breaks this H4 resistance, you know that will be going up and then come and then continue. If we break this major resistance, you know that would be going more higher because we also have a bullish flag on H4. So what is important when you trade, guys, is the market structure. So you need to look at the market structure. You need to know that whatever happen on the left hand side, it's also gonna happen on the right hand side, but it's not gonna be the same structure. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be the same structure. So I hope you all with me. So I'm looking for H4 support to stay now. As you can see, we have a zone here also. So I'm gonna make it like this now. I'm gonna highlight it as our major zone. Already known H4. It's daily in H4 here. You already know. So yeah. Let me remove this thing so that you can see it. Okay. Let me remove this pen. Okay. You see that we on H4 let's go for the line chart. If you can see here, we have also a zone here. We also have a zone here in this area. We also had a zone in this area of which way it came, of which it broke this area, broken and come and test and then push higher, and then find our H4 zone and then push down again on the smaller time frame to come and test this area. Come and test on this broken resistance from smaller time frames. Okay. Let me put like this. Let me put like this. Let me put it higher. Let me put this one for the smaller time frame. This is what I do for the weeks. I'm gonna drop to H1 now. Dropping to H1. Dropping to H1. Okay. Dropping to H1. I'm on H1 now. So guys, as you can see, everything is corresponding from the figure something. We had effect breakouts here because I remember we were supposed to retest this level from the past. I think it was last week. The reason why the market came here, we also had a zone here. We also had a zone here. Then we had an order block. We had an order block in this level. We had an order block in this level. We had an order block in this level. Let me show this order block where I used to descend. We had an order block here. The market was going up, testing the same level for several times. Then it broke up this level. Then it went down, and then we found the support. When the support is pushed up, again come and test again, test a long week, and then it's pushed up to test this area. Then it went down deeper after that. So the important thing is the market structure when it comes to USDT. USDT respects everything. It respects everything. So let me go like this. Okay, I'm on H1. I'm on H1. As you can see, we are buying now. We have a buy now on USDT. I want to show you something, guys. We have a buy on USDT. Ish. We have a buy on USDT. The reason why I closed my buys, I had my buys here. The reason why I took this buy, let me show you something. Because of this market structure on the smaller time frame, I saw something like a head and shoulder here. So this is gonna do like this and then come down again. If I can go to if I can go to H1, if I can go to H1, if I can go to H1, you can see that there's an area that needs to be tested. If these are a level that need to be tested. So I wanted a USDT to come, push down, come in this area before it's continued up the uptrend. But I'm still gonna monitor it and see what is gonna happen. But I want USDT to come down to this area before take a push down up. Before it's gonna push up. So what you need to understand, guys, as I mentioned to you, it's a market structure. Even also on the smaller time frames, as you can see here, you have some sort of a head and shoulder. So we'll see if it's gonna break or what. If you can go on the smaller time frames, you will see. And we also have a order block here. Also have an order block here. Also have an order block here where I want it to come. Push down here and then continue up. What is this? I hope you can all see. Another important thing again, let me put my trend line here. You can see, let me put my trend line from this level. See, as you can see, guys. Okay, yeah. I think this is good. Okay, yeah. As you can see that we're still waiting for a breakout. You can see that we're still waiting for a breakout. So we haven't made any breakout yet. So we will see how USDT is going to react. But this was a nice entry for a buy. I took a buy here now. I don't know why I closed so early. So I took a buy here. It was here. So any questions for now before I continue further? You can unmute your mics.
No, there is no question for me.
Are we clear?
Yes.
All clear.
All clear.
Yes.
Are we all clear?
Yes, we are fine.
Okay. Let me go to a small time frame and see on the M5. As you can see now on the M5, it's trying to respect this level. Trying to respect this level. So I hope you can all see, guys, how easy it's USDT. I hope everyone who are trading on nasdaq, most of the time it doesn't respect the zones. I'm lying. Or what? Guys, are you still there?
We are there. We are listening to you.
Good. So I want you all guys to start trading USD so that you can see how easy it is to trade. How easy it is to trade. So USD1 respects support and resistance. USD is respect the market, the market, a personal like head and shoulder. USD respects W's. Most of the time W's W and M shows on the M5, the M15, and also the M1. Most of the time I also set trades on the smaller time frame, maybe 1 minute or 5 minutes. USD respects support and resistance. What I saw on nasdaq, nasdaq most of the time is controlled by fundamentals. That's what I saw on nasdaq, is controlled by fundamentals. So you need to put that in mind. USD respects everything. So you must understand the trend first of the market. That's what you need to understand when it comes to trading USD and German food. They respect everything. I don't usually make losses when it comes to it. I always make like a profit. Maybe I'm gonna make like a minor loss, maybe lose like small yana, and then after that I do it more. So it's very easy to trade. It's very easy to spot entries also. So everything when it comes to estate is very easy. I know many of you have been getting difficulty to trade nasdaq. So you must get used to trade USD also. You must get used to trade USD also.